All right, welcome back to BIBSTER'S Repair Shop. As you can see, the carb is on. I painted it black. I mean, I could have probably gone red, but I don't know. Kind of looks nice. I was able to actually taped off all the right stuff, so you can still see everything. It's like almost 11 o'clock here, so I probably shouldn't do this, but this will probably be considered a short. So we'll kind of go through what this is. This is your idle adjustment. So basically, you want to set this. I go all the way in and then do a couple turns out, and that should be enough. It'll run, remember this, it'll run richer. It won't run too lean. If it gets too lean, it'll shut off. So what I did was I backed it off so it started running kind of fat, and then I turned it in, and when it started to chug-a-lug-a-lug, I backed it out a little bit so it was running good. And then the same way, this is your main valve adjustment. So what you do is you fire it up, and what I did, I mean, if you had like an EGT gauge, you could see actually what you're running. But, you know, again, fatter, it's going to probably run to a certain degree. It'll run fatter than it will lean. And then you fire it up, rev it up, and see if it bubbles, you know, kind of like it kind of has trouble revving up or kind of sounds like it's cycling at the top. And so you rich and come back in. But you don't want it to be where it starts to rev up and wants to go, because then it's probably too lean, and then that's going to be bad too. So, and you can always be, you're going to lose power. There's a terminology, you know, lean and mean. Make more power lean, but it also can be more dangerous. But fat and happy, so it can be too fat, and it'll usually run. It just won't be as good. So let's fire this thing up real quick. Again, it's like 11 o'clock, but yeah, this should be fine. It's not like it's open exhaust. Well, it's open exhaust, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Well, should be fun. All right, get neutral. Fire this thing up. Got it all the way idle down. You see? Go in with it. It's almost all the way in. See how it's kind of flubbling there? It's a little too rich. So what I did there, other than make all the neighbors mad, I don't know if you guys heard it. So I had leaned it a little too far. So I kept coming out with it until it bubbled. And then I went in. Once I went in about half a turn to a full turn, and it should be fine. Same thing here. You come out, you got here, go bit. Because the motor, when it's too rich, it'll kind of sound like that little fatty. Kind of, it's like the inevitable, like, cartoonish fat guy that's like, oh boy, I can hardly talk, chicken. That all sounds like a drunk guy. But that kind of homage is the same. Motor's too fat, it just is kind of lazy, and it's like, whoa. But a motor that's too lean can be bad too. So, a couple little tricks, pretty easy setup. And remember I talked about this. If you think you might be running ethanol fuel, or maybe it's got mixed in it sometime, what I would say to do, other than not running it, is when you shut it off, to have your tractor, turn your fuel off, let it run itself out of fuel, and then open up this valve and let all of that ethanol fuel, if you have to run it, drain out of there. That way it won't be sitting in any of those passageways. But other than that, it should be good. So we'll wrap this up. We'll find something else to do daily content. We're a week and a half in, and we're still going to try and go for more of it. So if you guys like it, leave a comment. Share the video. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. You guys know what to do. We'll see you in the next one. All right, so I was actually editing it, which there's only one video, so I was editing it quick. And I thought I didn't really talk too much. So this is not done yet. What I'll do next is I'll actually drive the tractor and see. The best way you can do is drive it with a load, which if you don't have an implement, which I don't have it here, drive it in road gear, go up a big hill, and just see how it responds. And then you'll get out and kind of adjust these. Really only this one. This is only at idle. You have to mess with. This one is for going down, so I'll adjust that a little bit. But again, when you're starting off, always try and be on the fat side, and then lean it out as you go. And you can kind of play around with that and go from there. But yeah, so now we're actually done. I just wanted to kind of say, like, this carb is not done yet. I just have to go drive it, but there's no way. There's no way I'm taking that thing around the neighborhood right now. So we'll try and maybe that'll be tomorrow night's video, doing a little bit of that during the daylight. So we'll see on the next one. Actually, this time, bye.